Hello and thanks for watching this video. In today's video, we're heading over to the Disneyland Hotel to check out the new villas inside the newly opened Discovery Tower. The Discovery Tower was opened up for DVC members, which is Disney's timeshare. There are over 300 rooms here, and we're going to be giving you a tour of the Deluxe Studio Villa. The room features 2 queen-size beds. One is a standard queen-size bed, and then the other is a queen-size bed that you will pull down from the wall. The room itself is very spacious and very modern, and of course it has a Disney flair that adds to the experience. In this room, you do get a kitchenette that comes with a microwave, a sink, and a mini fridge, as well as cutlery, dishware, and a Keurig. The bathroom offers a very luxurious and modern feel with this adorable backlit mirror featuring some Disney characters that you might recognize. The toilet in this room is in its own room that you can close off, which I really like. Thank you for watching this video. We would appreciate if you give a little like or comments, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.